Hey there, Christopher Thunder from Rider of the Storm of the World's Dirtiest Workshop. When you're out there riding in the heat, remember that hydration is everything. You can go quite a ways without food, but not very far without water. When you're at the garage or at the gas station or wherever it is you get your fuel, get yourself a drink. Okay, don't just fill up. Get a drink, because right now it's about 90 degrees out and it's climbing. Now, I'm going to be a while. So anyway, yeah, be polite to others. Let them know when you're going to use the pump for a while. Whoa. And when you get your water, right? So remember, hydration is, oh my God, that's chilled. Oh, I got that out of the fridge. Oh my God. Oh, that's going down to my nethers. Oh. So, when you're out there riding in the heat, stay hydrated. Oh my God. Oh. Ooh. Oh. That's under my underberries. Oh my God. That's chilled. So, Christopher Thunder from Rider of the Storm saying I got some chilled nuts, and get out there and ride in the heat. Bye.
Oh God. Oh, that's so good. Oh, wow.